Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to solve exercise 8.2. For exercise 8.1, see my previous video. And before going to start exercise 8.2, we should know what is trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So let us see that first. So let us see here some trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So first we see sin A. What is value of sin A? Sin A for 0 degree. Sin 0 is 0. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 45 degree 1 by root 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. And sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Then cos A. What is the value of cos A? So right here cos A. Cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Sin 90 and cos 0 same. Then cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. It is same as sin 60 degree. Then cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree will be 1 by root 2. Both are same. Sin 45 and cos 45. Both will be same. After that cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. It is same as sin 30 degree. Then cos 90 is equal to 0. It is same as sin 0. After that tan A. Tan A is equal to, what is value of tan? Tan A is equal to called sin A divided by cos A. So here sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So when you divide 0 by 1, you will get 0. So tan A is equal to 0. And here tan 30 is equal to sin 30 divided by cos 30. So value of sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. When you divide 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, you will get 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degree is equal to sin 45 degree divided by cos 45 degree. So here it is 1 by root 2 and here it is also 1 by root 2. When you divide this, you will get 1. After that tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to sin 60 divided by cos 60. So what is here sin 60? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. So when you divide this root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, you will get root 3. After that tan 90. Tan 90 is equal to sin 90 divided by cos 90. Sin 90 is 1. 1 is divided by 0. So it will come infinity. So you can write not defined. After that sec A. Right here sec A. So what will be sec 0? You know that sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. So cos A is equal to 1. So sec A, sec 0 is equal to 1 by cos 0. So 1 by 1. So it will come 1. Then sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree means 1 by cos 30 degree. So cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 degree will be 2 by root 3. Then sec 45. Sec 45 degree is equal to 1 by cos 45 degree. So cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. So sec 45 degree is equal to only root 2. Then sec 60. Sec 60 is equal to 1 by cos 60. So it will be 2. Then sec 90 degree. Sec 90 degree will be 1 by 0 because cos 90 is 0. So sec 90 is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is again not defined. So you are right here not defined. After that cosec A. So right here cosec A. So cosec 0 degree. First we see that cosec 0 degree. You know that cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. So here cosec 0 degree is equal to 1 by sin 0 degree. Sin 0 is 0. So cosec 0 will be not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. Infinitive. So right here not defined. This is not defined. This is called infinite. Then cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree is equal to 1 by sin 30 degree. So sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. So cosec 30 will be 2. Then cosec 45 degree. Cosec 45 degree will be 1 by sin 45 degree. So it will come root 2. Then cosec 60 degree is equal to 1 by sin 60. So this will be 2 by root 3. After that cosec 90. Cosec 90 is equal to 1 by sin 90 and we know that sin 90 is equal to 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So this will be 1. Last one is cot A. So let us see here cot A. Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. So tan 0 is 0. So cot 0 will be 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is again not defined. So you can write here not defined. Then cot 30 degree. Cot 30 is equal to 1 by tan 30. So what is value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So cot 30 will be only root 3. Then cot 45 is equal to 1 by tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Then tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to 1 by, cot 60 is equal to 1 by tan 60. So tan 60 is equal to here root 3. So cot 60 will be 1 by root 3. So right here 1 by root 3. Then cot 90 degree. Cot 90 is equal to 1 by tan 90 and it is tan 90 is equal to infinite. Yeah, not defined. So you can write here 0. Cot 90 will be 0 because 1 by infinite is equal to 0. So let us see our first question. First question is evaluate the following. First part is sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60 degree. So हमें पता होना चाहिए कि sin 60 की वैल्यू क्या है, cos 30 की वैल्यू क्या है, sin 30 की वैल्यू क्या है and cos 60 की वैल्यू क्या है. So first we write the values. So write here sin 60 what is value of sin 60? Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Right. Then what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 degree is equal to same as sin 60. So it will be root 3 by 2. Then sin 30. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Then cos 60 degree is equal to also 1 by 2. So put all these values in here. So we will get right here sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is equal to also root 3 by 2. Then sin of addition. Then sin 30 degree is equal to, what is sin 30? Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So right here 1 by 2 multiplied by cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So put here 1 by 2. So multiply root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 into 2, 4, plus 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. So this is like fraction, so you can add numerators. 3 plus 1 is 4. So it will be 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So second part is 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So first we write what is the value of tan 45 degree. So we know that tan 45 is equal to 1. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Then cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, and sin 60 degree is equal to same as cos 30. So you can write here sin 60 degree also. So put this value here. So we will get 2 tan 45 is equal to 1. So here tan square 45 degree. This means tan square of tan 45 degree. So we can write tan 45 is equal to 1. So square of 1 plus cos square 30 degree means square of cos 30 degree. So cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. So write here root 3 by 2 and square that value. This. After that sin square 60. Sin square 60. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So put here root 3 by 2. Then square that value because here it is sin square 60. So square sin 60. So it is 2 into square of 1 is 1 plus square of 3 by 2. So square of root 3 will be 3 and square of 2 means 2 multiplied by 2. So it will come 4 minus again here root 3 into root 3 will be 3 and 2 into 2 is also 4. So you can write 2 1 ja 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. So your answer is 2. This is your answer. So third part is cos 45 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. So first we write value of cos 45 degree. What is value of cos 45 degree? Cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. And what is value of sec 30 degree? Sec 30 degree is equal to 1 by cos 30 degree. And what is cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree is equal to sin 60 degree. So it will come 2 by root 3 because 1 by cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So sec 30 will be 2 by root 3 and cosec 30. So cosec 30 is equal to cosec 30 degree is equal to 1 by sin 30 degree. And what is value of sin 30 degree? Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So cosec 30 degree is equal to 2. So now we will put these values in this equation. So put these values here. So cos 45 degree is equal to write here 1 by root 2. Then write sec 30 degree. Sec 30 will be 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 degree is equal to 2. So write here 1 by root 2 divided by, take 2 common. So 2. So it will come 1 plus root 3 divided by root 3. So now we can write 1 by this root 2 and this root 3 will go here, so it will come root 3 and here it is 1 plus root 3. So we multiply here conjugate number, so conjugate will be 1 minus root 3, multiply here 1 minus root 3, here also 1 minus root 3. If it is here plus, so multiply here by minus. 1 plus root 3 is here, so multiply here 1 minus root 3. So it will come root 3 minus root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. So write here minus 3 and here it is 2 root 2, multiply here, so it will come a plus b and a minus b. A plus b and into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So square of 1 will be 1 and the square of root 3 will be 3. So it will be 3 minus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So write here root 3 minus 3 divided by, it will come minus 2. So multiply here 2 2 ja 4 root 2 and minus 4 root 2. So write here. Now we can write 3 minus root 3 divided by 4 root 2. Okay, so multiply here by root 2 and here also by root 2 because we want to remove this root 2 here. So we will get 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by 8. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 4 will be 8. So your answer will be 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by 8. This is your answer. Let us see fourth part. This one is sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. So first we write all the values. We know that sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 and tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Then cosec 60 degree is equal to 1 by sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So cosec 60 will be 2 by root 3. After that sec 30. Sec 30 is equal to same as cosec 60 degree. So it will be 2 by root 3. Then cos 60 degree is equal to sin 30 degree. So it will be 1 by 2 and cot 45 degree. Cot 45 degree is equal to tan 45 degree, that is equal to 1. So write these values in here, this equation. So we will get, put this value, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, okay, plus tan 45 is equal to 1. So write here 1 minus cosec 60 degree. So it is 2 by root 3 divided by sec 30. Sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3 plus cos 60. Cos 60, put the value of cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 plus cot 45 degree. cot 45 degree is equal to 1. So add this one, 2 1 are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. This is divided by, again here write 2 by root 3. 2 1 are 2 and plus 1. So this will be plus 3 by 2. After that you can write here, multiply here 3 root 3 minus 4. This will be divided by 2 root 3. Then here 2 by root 3 plus 3 by 2. So multiply this. So you will get 2 2 are 4 plus 3 root 3, and this will be also divided by 2 root 3. So you can cut this, both are same here. So we can write 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by, right here 3 root 3 plus 4, because a plus b is equal to b plus a. Then here we want to remove this square root, so multiply by conjugate number. So we can write here 3 root 3 minus 4, because here plus, so we multiply here by minus. So here it is also 3 root 3 minus 4. So multiply, this is a minus b का whole square. What is formula of a minus b का whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So use that formula. So square of this. So square of this will be 3 3 ja 9 multiplied by square of root 3. So it will be 3. So this is a square, then plus b square. B is 4. So square of 4 will be 16. So write here 16. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So minus 2. Write here 2. What is a? A is 3 root 3. 3 root 3 and b is equal to 4. So multiply here by 4. And it is divided by, this is a plus b into a minus b. So what will be formula? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So use that formula here. So it will be 9 root 3 minus b square will be 16. Not root 3. 9 multiplied by 3. Then I am going to write here. So 9 3 ja 27. Okay, 9 3 ja 27 plus 16 minus, here it will be 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. 24 root 3 divided by 9 3 ja again 27 minus 16. So here 27 plus 16 will be 6 and 7, 13. 3, 1 is carried. 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4. So it is 43 minus 24 square root 3 divided by 27 minus 16. 7 minus 6 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So your answer will be 43 minus 24 square root 3 divided by 11. This is your answer. So let us see here fifth part. Fifth one is 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So first we write all the values. So what is value of cos 60? First write cos 60. cos 60 is equal to sin 30 degree. So it will be 1 by 2. Then sec square 30. Sec square 30 degree is equal to sec 30 degree, not square. Sec 30 degree is equal to 1 by cos 30 degree. And what is cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree is equal to sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. So sec 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3 by 2. So it will come 2 by root 3. Okay. Then tan 45 degree right here. It is simple. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Then sin 30. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. And cos 30 degree is equal to sin 60. So it is root 3 by 2. So put all these value in this equation. So right here, put this value. First write 5. Write sign of multiplication. Cos 60. What is cos 60? 1 by 2. Here it is given square. So write here square of 1 by 2. Because cos 60 is 1 by 2. So cos square 60 will be square of 1 by 2. Plus, right here 4. It is given. Then sec square 30 degree. So what is value of sec 30? Sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. So write first here 2 by root 3. And squaring because it is sec. Minus tan square 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So write here square of 1. Then write sin square 30 degree. What is sin 30? Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So write here square of 1 by 2. Plus cos square 30. So write here cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So square of root 3 by 2. So right here it will come 5 multiplied by square of 1 by 2 will be 1 by 4 plus it is 4. Square of this will be 4 divided by 3 minus 1. Right here square of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4 plus square of root 3 by 2 will be 3 by 4. Then after that it will be 5 by 4. So write here 5 by 4 plus 4 4 ja 16. Yes, 16 divided by, here it is 3. So write here 3 minus 1. Here it is 4 4. Denominator are same. They are like fraction. Add 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 4. Again take here. LCM will be 12. So it will come 5 3 ja 15. 16 4 ja 64 minus 12 divided by 12. And 4 divided by 4 will be 1. So you can write here 1. First we add 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 1 and 6 7 minus 12 divided by 12 1 ja 12. So 79 minus 12. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 67 by 12. This is your answer. So let us see question number 2. So question number 2 is choose the correct option and justify your choice. So first part is 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equal to sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 or sin 30 degree. So let us find it. first we write what is the value of tan 30. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So put this value here. So write here 2 tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So write here 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So here it is given square. So square of 1 by root 3. So you will get 2 by root 3, which is divided by 1 plus square of root 3 will be 1 by 3. So write here 1 by 3. So again write 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3, which is divided by 3 plus 1. 3 1 ja 3 and 1. 4 by 3. So you can write here 4 by 3. So here division of two fraction. So first we write first fraction is 2 by root 3 and then it is divided by 4 by 3. So you will multiply 3 by 4. फ्रैक्शन के डिवीजन में क्या होता है, सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन का उल्टा करते हैं. सो हियर इट इज गिवन डिवाइडेड बाय 4 by 3. सो 4 by 3 को हम उल्टा करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 3 by 4. सो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 by 4 से. सो 2 by root 3 इज मल्टीप्लाई हियर 3 by 4. सो हियर 2 2 ja 4 2. If you divide 3 by root 3 it will come root 3. So it is root 3 divided by 2 and this is the value of sin 60. Root 3 by 2 is equal to sin 60. Sin 60 degree. So this is your answer. So option number A is right. So second part of question number 2 is given 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. So first we write value of tan 45 degree. What is value of tan 45 degree? Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. It is very simple. So always remember that tan 45 is equal to 1 and cot 45 is equal to also 1. So here it is 1. So write here value. So it will come 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus tan 45 square of 1. Yes. So 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1 plus 1. Square of 1 will be 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. So it is 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. So your answer will be option number D. Where is 0? Here D. This one. So option D is correct. Third part is sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to 1. So we have to find out the value of a. What will be a? Suppose a is equal to 0. If we take a is equal to 0, suppose a is equal to 0 degree, then what will be sin 2a? Sin 2a is equal to, we can write sin 2 into 0 degree. Sin 2 into 0 degree means 0 degree. So you can write, because 2 into 0 is 0. So it will be sin 0. What is value of sin 0? Sin 0 is equal to 0. So write here 0. And write here for RHS. This one is LHS. And if we take RHS, so RHS is here 2 sin a. Write here 2 sin a. So write first 2, then write sin. We have taken a is equal to 0, so write sin 0. So we can write 2 multiplied by sin 0 is equal to 0. So 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So this equation is true when a is equal to 0 degree. So this is option A is correct option. If you take 30 degree, let us check it is right or wrong. Okay, so suppose if A is equal to 30 degree, then what will come? Let us see. So sine 2A is equal to sine 2 into 30 degree. This means sine 60. What is value of sine 60? Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. Then RHS is, this one is LHS. And take RHS. What is RHS? RHS is 2 sine A. So write here 2 sine. A is, I have here taken 30 degree. So write sine 30 degree. So multiply here 2 sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So it will come 1. So LHS and RHS are not equal here. So you can check for 45 degree and 60 degree also. So it will be not same. It will be same only for 0 degree. So option A, 0 degree is right answer. So question number 2, fourth part is 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. So first we write the value of tan 30. What is value of tan 30 degree? Yes, tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So write here 1 by root 3 and put this value in this equation. So write here 2 tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Yes, then divided by 1 minus tan square 30. So square of tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So write here 1 by root 3 and square there. Okay. Then write here it will come 2 by root 3 and here it is 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3 because square of root 3 will be 3. So we can write 2 by root 3 divided by 3 1 is 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. This one is also division of 2 fraction. So write here first fraction 2 by root 3, then multiply it by 3 by 2. Okay, so this 2 will cut and when 3 is divided by root 3, it will come root 3. What is value of root 3? Root 3 is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 degree. Where is tan 60? Here cos 60, sin 60, tan 60. So this one is your right answer. Sin 60 is not root 3. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to sin 30. That is 1 by 2. So here it is root 3. So answer will be tan 60. Sin 30 is not. Because sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. वैसे 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A ये फार्मूला होता है tan 2A का. तो वो हम नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में आगे की एक्सरसाइज में पढ़ेंगे. अभी आपको नहीं मालूम है. अभी आपको केवल पता है कि tan 30 की क्या वैल्यू होती है. तो tan 30 की वैल्यू पुट करके हम इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ओके, सो आंसर होगा आपका tan 60 डिग्री. See your question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is if tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3 and condition is given A plus B is greater than 0 degree but less or equal than 90 degree. If A is greater than B, find A and B. Okay, so first we write what is given. Given that, first write tan A plus B is equal to root 3. What is the value of root 3 in tan? We know that tan 60 is equal to root 3. So write here root 3 is equal to tan 60. Because tan 60 is equal to root 3, so we can write here tan 60 in place of root 3. Then we can see here A plus B is equal to 60. So we can write A plus B is equal to 60 degree. This is our first equation. Then what is second? Second one is given tan A minus B. So write here tan A minus B. Tan A minus B is given 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 tan में कितने की वैल्यू होती है? tan 30 degree. Yes. So write here tan 30 degree. Very good. So write here tan 30. So we can write A minus B is equal to 30 degree. So write A minus B is equal to 30 degree. So this one is second equation. Now we have two equations with how many variables? Two variables, A and B. So solve these equations. So first we write A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Then write below here A minus B is equal to 30 degree. If we add these two equations, then this will A plus A will be 2A. And here it is plus B, here it is minus B. So it will cut. So 2A is equal to 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. So A will be 90 divided by 2. So it will be 45 degree. This is the value of A. Then what will be the value of B? It is given A plus B is equal to 60 degree. What is given? A plus B is equal to 60 degree and A is equal to 45 degree. So write here 45 degree. So 45 degree plus B is equal to 60 degree. So B will be 60 degree minus 45 degree. So 60 degree minus 45 degree is equal to 15 degree. So A will be 45 degree and B will be 15 degree. This one is your answer. Here A is greater than B. A is equal to 45, B is equal to 50. So let us see question number 4. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. First one is given sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. So आपको sin 0 डिग्री की वैल्यू पता है, sin 30 डिग्री, sin 60 डिग्री, sin 45 डिग्री and sin 90 डिग्री. So let us check it. So sin A plus B. Suppose I have taken sin 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay. So right here sin 30 degree plus 60 degree. Sin 30 degree plus sin 60 degree. So what will be LHS? This one is LHS. So this will be sin 30 plus 60 is equal to 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. What is the value of sin 90? Sin 90 is 1. So this will be 1. And take RHS. And RHS. RHS is sin A plus sin B. So we can write sin A is equal to sin 30 plus sin B is equal to sin 60. So what will be the value? Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Yes. 1 by 2 plus sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So it will come 1 plus root 3 divided by 2. This is like fraction. Denominator are same 2 and here also 2. So you can add numerator 1 plus root 3 divided by 2. So here it is 1 and here it is 1 plus root 3 divided by 2. Both are same? No. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this one is false. So you can write here, false. False. If you want, you can take another angle and check it. Suppose I have taken 45 degree. So it will be, LHS will be what? If I am taking 45 degree, so LHS will be sin 45 degree plus 45 degree. So this is also sin 90. Sin 90 is equal to 1. And then RHS will be what? RHS will be sine 45 degree plus again sine 45 degree. What is value of sine 45 degree? 1 by root 2. So write here 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 2 by root 2. So it will come root 2. Here it is 1, here it is root 2. So again LHS is not equal to RHS. So this one is false for 30 degree and 30 degree, 60 degree and for 45 degree also. So then check second one. What is second one? Second one is the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. It is right or wrong? It is right. Why? The value of sine theta increases from 0 to 1 as theta increases from 0 to 90 degree. So this statement is right. So you can write here this is true. This is true. So third part is the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. This is true or false? So we know that the value of cos theta decreases from 1 to 0 as theta increases from 0 to 90 degree. जैसे थीटा एंगल बढ़ता है 0 से 90 डिग्री की तरफ जब हम मूव करते हैं तो cos थीटा की वैल्यू क्या होती है? घटती है, 1 से लेकर के 0 हो जाती है. So this statement is false because cos 0 is 1 and cos 90 is equal to 0 degree. So जब एंगल बढ़ा 90 डिग्री हुआ तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या हो गई? 0 डिग्री. जब एंगल 0 डिग्री था देन cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. सो cos थीटा की वैल्यू क्या होती है? एंगल के साथ साथ डिक्रीज होती है, इंक्रीज नहीं होती है. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. द वैल्यू ऑफ cos थीटा इंक्रीजेज एज थीटा इंक्रीजेज इज फॉल्स. सो राइट हियर फॉल्स. Then fourth part is sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. It is true? No, it is also false. Why? Because sin 30 is equal to cos 30? No, sin 30 is equal to cos 60 and cos 60 is equal to sin 30. And if we take sin 60 degree, then sin 60 is equal to, so you can write, if you want you can write here. Then let us see. Sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 and cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Both are same? No. If you take sin 60 degree, sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos 60 will be 1 by 2. So root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 are not equal. So this is not equal for all values of theta. It is only for 45 degree because sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2 and cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. So this statement is true only for theta is equal to 45 degree. So you can write here false. This one is also false. Last one is cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. It is true? Yes, because we know that cot 0 is equal to not defined. It is infinite. Why? Because we know that cot 0 degree is equal to 1 by tan 0 degree. And what is value of tan 0? Tan 0 is equal to 0. So it is 1 by 0. So it is not defined. Okay. So this statement is true. Last one is true. So you can write here true. This one is true. Okay. So exercise 8.2 is completed. I will come again with exercise 8.3. So please like and subscribe my channel and keep watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.